Why Moses was angry when he go up the mountain, he come down, everybody dance and sing. And he's angry and throw the graffo down and Wookie leave. No more graffo. Why? Why he's mad? They don't listen. They make their own God is a body. So they pray to the body, not the God. That's why Moses get mad. Fear của phá của đi mà fear của there's another question. Why the Jama? Why the Origia no Jama is Apple? Who's the Origia is Apple?
Mariel.
Jacob. Wala na Jacob không phải ilong ka ma. Don't then. Wala na Jacob không phải ilong ka ma. What he gonna do? He get a food, or he buy a clothes, or he make his room nice. Everything. There's all sort of things Jacob do. What are you saying? Oleh mẹ ai nhé là mẹ không phải mấy là sao? Pero why kau không phụ ya kau không phải sao? Sao? Why là mẹ cũng mang nguyện? Ya kau phải về ngã tiêu ya kau oleh kau bà quay ngày máu kau mang nguyện quay rồi. Why? Why figure them out? Why they kemana dia ngapa pula Yesus maka? Jesus tried to, katawaso, and Jesus made his seed. The blind man. What Jesus do? Touch his eye. Ya okay lo, for anda ya. Ini suruh macam ni Jawa suruh parpar, kalau lima ni parpar, orang pulai dia macam Jawa. That's all I know. Ya, oleh sebesar. Lama nak cule atau emang manfaat. Kali main kami kira dia. Yung kipasok, why is puri ya akan bayar naman kapuan. Ya, olis. Yeah, because they never listen to God, and God told them not to touch the inside the garden and eat because of the snake. Kenapa selangan langka? What the punishment of the snake? Ya, benar? Apa dia? Cukup beda deh. What took away that was naked. So he's a swallow under the ground. He ate it. Okay, what? Because I speak mixed English and Pasaba, because I don't know the English too. So I know how to mix. But the yesterday này phải Moses in neighbor if you do a good thing for your friend or your sister or your brother, your police. You take a present to your friend in your class. Oh, good boy. Who else? There's a story about the blind man. He sit with his sign near the street, and the sign said, "Help me, I'm blind." And this lady walked, and she saw the sign, and she ripped the sign and put a new sign on. And everybody threw the dollar, the quarter, because of that sign the lady. And when she came back, she whispered his ear, say, "Your sign, it doesn't make sense because everybody's fake, blind fake. Everybody thinks you're fake." And so she put the sign down. What a beautiful day, but I can't see. See? That's why, that's